महाराष्ट्रात विधानसभा निवडणुकीचं बिगुल वाजलंय। केंद्रीय निवडणूक आयोगानं विधानसभा निवडणुकीच्या तारखांची घोषणा केली आहे। पत्रकार परिषदेत निवडणूक आयोगानं संपूर्ण निवडणूक कार्यक्रम जाहीर केलाय। पाहूयात।
Come to the schedule for Maharashtra. This will be in single phase. The notifications, date of notifications are in front of you. 22nd October would be date of notification. Last date of making nomination would be 29th October. Scrutiny on 30th October. And last date for withdrawal 4th, and date of poll in Maharashtra would be 20th 11. Counting would be on 23rd 11 24, and you will notice that date of poll is Wednesday. This is deliberately, which lot of scheduling, whatever goes into scheduling, we have tried that it is midday, so that issue of urban apathy is handled. And in case of urban apathy, we are really very concerned. We want to make appeal through you to all our esteemed voters in the urban areas to please come and vote. It's not a healthy trend which is reflected. If I give you a brief of what is happening across the elections in the urban apathy, we will share this slide with you.
आमचे दिवसभरातले सर्व अपडेट्स, ताज्या घडामोडी आणि थेट लाईव्ह पाहण्यासाठी सबस्क्राइब करा, लाईक करा कोकणचं नंबर 1 महा चॅनल कोकणसाद लाईव्हचं YouTube चॅनल।